In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new employee in Xero Payroll. 5 minutes. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make and the key fields to complete so your new hire is set up smoothly. Before you start, make sure you have payroll admin access in Xero and the employee's basic details handy, like their legal name and contact information. First, open the Xero login page, click Login, enter your credentials, and select Login again to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, head to the payroll area using the top navigation. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Xero screens can vary by region, but the payroll menu will be there. Inside payroll, choose employees. This takes you to the list of people already set up. To add someone new, click New Employee. You may see an additional button labeled Add Employee. Go ahead and click that to open the employee form. Start with the personal details section. Enter the employee's legal first and last name and complete any other fields shown for your region, such as date of birth or start date if it appears. Use the name exactly as it appears on official documents, so tax and payroll reports stay accurate. Double check spelling and dates as these details flow through to payslips and statutory filings. Next, move to contact information. Add an email address and phone number that the employee actually uses, along with their current postal address. If you plan to invite them to employee self-service later, using an email they check regularly will save time. For the address, include the full details so any mailed documents reach the right place. You'll also see an emergency contact section. This is optional, but it's good practice to add it so you have someone to reach in case of urgent situations. Keep it simple. Name, relationship, and a reliable phone number are usually enough. Only store information you need for safety and compliance. When everything looks correct, click Save. Xero will create the employee profile immediately. From here, you can return to the employees list at any time to complete additional payroll settings like pay templates, tax or statutory forms, and bank details depending on your local requirements. Those items can be set up after the profile is created, so don't worry if you don't have them on hand right now. That's it. You've added a new employee to Xero Payroll quickly and correctly, and you're ready to finish the rest of their setup when you have the remaining information.